My cat in heat.
Excuse me, what are your fucking... Whoa, hey, get your fucking little tiny ass off of her. No, we is not boy cats. Stop. No, we can't.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Vulnerable right now.
Wait, hang on, stop, you don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy, don't do it, no!
Cause you had a bad day, you take one down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie, you were
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?